Okay, so I made 3 pellets with this pellet maker. And that one's made out of lead. This one is made out of lead. And this one, wherever it is, there it is, I made out of a penny. So, I don't know. And they're not perfect, as you could see. I mean, here's the lead one. And they don't look bad. I mean, for just what I did, heating the lead up in a spoon. And so here's a Crossman pellet in comparison. And you can see it's really, they're not perfect by any means either, actually. So, you know, I mean, I could see the mold line right there. Now I'm looking at this, oh, you can tell it's really a close-up. Excuse the birds in the background. So, I see this has got like a little thing on it right there. I'm going to sand that off. But overall, like I said, this one I made out of a penny. I just literally melted a penny in and then dumped it in there. And then I ground the bottom off. You could see where I ground it off. It's really weird. It took a whole penny to make this. Anyway, so that's what you got when you use this mold machine. And once again, here's my mold maker, or my mold machine. I'll take this off, you can get a better look at it. There you go. So you can see I just drilled a hole in it in a pair of pliers. And there you go. Anyway, you guys want to see what they look like. So I'll give them a shot and see what happens.